Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu states, in Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam times, I married a woman. When I met Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O Jabir, have you married? I submitted, yes. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, a maiden or a widow? I submitted, a widow. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, why do you not marry a maiden, so that she may play with you and you may play with her? I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I have some sisters. I feared lest she should intervene between my sisters' upbringing and me. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, if it is so, it is good. A woman is married due to her religion, her property, and her beauty. May your hands get dusty. You should prefer religiousness. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3621.